What is up, guys? So, good morning. Good morning. We had an awesome night last night. Things took a change for the better as we had some neighbors. I seen he was over here playing his guitar and singing and sounded really good, and so thought, I'm gonna go grab my drum, and we did a little jamming, and we did a lot of jamming. We jammed all night. The poor kid's fingers were bloody. Not really, but it was funny. Yeah,
they jammed while we were sleeping too.
Yeah, and we jammed while the kids were sleeping. It was nice. Kids went to bed. Me and Rachel were over there hanging out with them. It was his parents, and he was like 27, and it was him and his parents. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. Really good, very talented young man. Very, very talented young man. Name's Caleb, oddly enough. So yeah, today I'm getting ready to go load up a rick of firewood in the back of the pickup, and then I'm gonna come back, take a shower, and we're gonna head off to church. I'm not sure which one we've decided on. I think we've decided on one of the two local churches of Christ for sure, but not exactly sure which one. Probably whichever one starts later would be my guess. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to do a little more filming today, try to get you guys a little better idea of what we got going on around here, and and that way, because I think I'm gonna wrap up this 5-day vlog here. From then on, it's just gonna be the regular video style content, I suppose. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how how people like the 5-day vlog. I don't know, I'm still getting used to it. Like, I just kind of shoot off the hip, so I don't really know what to say to the camera. I just pick it up and kind of like tell you what happened, tell you what we're doing. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. I suppose you have if you're here on day 5 with me. But anyways, if I can keep the naked babies out of the shot, it'll be a miracle. Yeah, I'll get you a snack, okay? But anyways, yeah, we'll see you guys. See you around. Well, I'm leaving the firewood guy's place, and he wasn't there. He was supposed to meet me at 10. He was a no-show. So, I mean, it's 10:20 now, and which 8:18 according to my clock, 8:20, I mean, but we've lost 2 hours in the past. We lost an hour coming down here, and then we lost an hour last night. Maybe he forgot about the time change, is my guess. So he may be calling me in an hour, being like, or in 40 minutes, like, where you at? But we had to go and get ready for church. So sorry. Hopefully later on today we can get some, because $6 a bundle thing is not gonna cut it. We bought one bundle for $6, and I started a fire last night and then immediately went over to someone else's fire. So, and then all of our people and our other neighbors that we met came over there, and when we were jamming, so we didn't even use the wood we bought. Yeah, headed back to the campsite now to get my church studs on, Sunday best, and go meet a whole church full of new people. I'm excited. Some people might not get excited about stuff like that, but I do. Hence, I've already made all the campground friends that you can make. It's awesome. Could not ask for better people that we're camping around. I mean, so far we've had some, we've only been here for a couple of days, but like, Friday it's kind of rowdy, but we were kind of rowdy and loud last night. Not rowdy, but we were loud just because I was playing a drum, he was playing a guitar and singing, and we were just a little louder. I think we were up till 12 after the time change. Yeah, it was midnight. So 11. Anyways, we had a great time, man. I just cannot stress how good of a time I had last night. So refreshing to just come into this whole new environment, and then immediately, and the people that we jammed with are actually locals. They live here. They lived 5 minutes down the road, and they were just coming here to camp with their grandson for the first time. Their son and their grandson, and with their grandson's first time. Anyways, it was an awesome night. Great people, good time around the fire, and I hope to experience many, many more nights like that. And then like another campsite came over of a couple that we met and their daughter, and then the people that we met with their kids came over. Really cool. Anyways, we just had a big old kumbaya. But it was funny when I brought the drum over there. At first they were like, what are you gonna do with that thing? You know, not really, but you know, people just look at it like, what's the bongo for? We're playing country music. But we had a blast. They loved it. They loved it. I loved it. It was an awesome time. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the campsite, or I don't know, who knows where I'll turn the camera on next. It's a surprise. Clark, Ella, did you guys have fun at our new church we went to? Whoa, did you guys have fun at our new church we went to? Huh? Did you like the nice people there? What about you? So we went to Patty Church of Christ, and just a couple miles down the road on the same road here, and it was awesome. The people were awesome, just like our church back home. Couldn't ask for a better church. Could not have asked for a better church for last minute. Yeah. Really, we went there, Patty Church of Christ versus Benton Church of Christ, because they started at 11 instead of 10:30, and we were running late because I was supposed to pick up some firewood from a guy. Don't touch it. Some firewood from a guy, and he did not show up. I was supposed to meet him at 10:30, and he never showed up. So anyways, the people there were absolutely amazing. Yeah, they didn't mind the kids. They were just like our church back home, pretty much. What did you think of the church, Max?
Didn't eat cookies.
You like the cookies that the ladies had?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The chocolate ones.
The chocolate cookies?
That looks like our friend's card.
Oh no, it does. But I hate to break it to you, it's not. I think there's theirs that looks like that's already down there.
Their camper?
The car that looks like that is already there, son.
No, they're not here yet.
I don't think it's
them. Not that car down.
Anyway, so actually one of the guys that we met there is, I'm gonna go over to his house and load some firewood up. I asked him if he knew where I could get some, because the first place didn't pan out, and he told me that I could just go over to his place, and he had some, and I can load it up myself. So that's worked out perfect, absolutely perfect. He's cut up a bunch of treetops that have blown over, and long story short, that's where I'm gonna be heading here in the next hour or two. We're getting our fishing poles ready. I got Max's ready, working on Clark's, and then Ella's. And then we're gonna try to do some fishing before I leave. Ready to go fishing? Is this your first time?
Yeah.
Pretty nice. I mean, maybe we've done it before.
some fishes. Is it a heart?
Are you ready?
A frog heart is so tiny.
All right.
There it goes. Can you try to get this book out?
Where'd Clark's bobber go?
Oh, maybe I caught a fish already.
No. No, silly. You gotta hold your pole up, Ella.
It's too heavy.
Yeah, I think maybe his sinker might be too heavy for his bobber. It might be.
Can you try to get this book out of him? I still don't see my bobber going on.
Okay, so me and Clark are headed to go get some firewood. And we just got done doing a little fishing. We didn't get to do much, but we're gonna do a lot more when we get back. Am I right, Clark?
And I still haven't caught a fish on my bobber.
Patience, little girl, patience. Jump in, please. Put ya. Oh, go, giggity go. Oh, gang. We almost went into the water.
And I don't want to.
Wide load, heavy load.
What does wide load have?
Wide load means heavy boy, little trailer.
Can I get out with you? At it. Can I get out with you after that? Can I?
When we get firewood,
Yeah?
can we get out?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay! And I don't want to wait in the car alone.
No. That's illegal. I would never do that. Gotta go to jail.
But remember the time you guys left us alone in the van?